How far would you go for your favorite fast food burger? Got your New Yorkers obsessed with White Castle, Texans going wild for Whataburger. But for us, there's only one true fast food burger. I'm going to be honest, I'm really in the mood for In-N-Out Burger.
I'm always in the mood for In-N-Out Burger.
Yeah, well, the closest one I did look is in Salem, Oregon. It's about 700 miles away.
We can't do that.
It's a long way to drive for a burger.
Sounds like an RV trip to me.
All right, well, I'll start planning.
Let's do it.
Now, is a 2,300 kilometer pilgrimage for a burger worth it? Absolutely. We weren't just going to make that long drive for one burger, though. No, we decided to turn it into a full-blown road trip adventure. We'd explore the stunning Oregon coast, catch up with some old friends, and indulge in some mouth-watering American barbecue. It was going to be an epic journey.